This video shows you how to use the C&O Canal and Great Allegheny Passage trail map. We start off with a basic Google map, which is of course very easy to use, and you can see that it always starts off center at some town. Right now we are started at Myersdale, and it shows you the mileage out in both directions, 10 miles out, 20 miles out, 30, and so on, both directions. But you can customize this. Say you want to center it at a different town. Here's a list of all the towns in alphabetical order along both trails. Let's say we want to go to Shepherdstown. Now the map is recentered there, and we can zoom out to see the mileages. Now suppose you want to add some services. We want to see the restaurants and camping options. And you can set the radius that you go out to show those, like all the restaurants and camping within 1 mile, within 5 miles, 10 miles, and so on. Right now it's set for 10 miles, so let's go with that. After you make the selections, you click Update Map. And it comes back, and you can see that there are a lot of pins all over here. And if you put your mouse over each one, it will tell you what it is. So you can see the little box popped up that said Bavarian Inn for pin number 1. Here is the Killian's Cave campsite is number 10, and the reason these are different colors, if we go down a little bit, you can see that the restaurants are green, other services, in this case camping, is blue. But beyond being able to just put your mouse over it and see the name, we also have a listing down here where you can see that number 1 is Bavarian Inn, number 2 is Blue Moon Cafe, and so on. If you have a map that has both C&O and GAP on it, I mean, you can see right here it has C&O, but then we would have a GAP if it was on the Great Allegheny Passage. Like, for example, if you're doing this from Cumberland, where you're seeing both trails simultaneously. You can click on any one of these for additional information. So, for example, I clicked on that. I can now see the street address, phone number, web page, and a map of just that one location. And if we go back here again and go back to the settings, the one other thing that we can change is the mileage intervals. You remember we were seeing the miles every 10 miles marked on the map here. If we zoom out, suppose we only want to see these every 25 miles. I will select that, and it comes back. And if we zoom out, we'll now see that these markers only show up every 25 miles. The one other thing I should point out down here at the bottom is a link. This link will take you back to this particular map with these settings. So if you want to share this map with somebody, you can send them this link, and it will take them to this page already centered at Shepherdstown, already showing the restaurants and camping with 25-mile intervals. Now, because this website uses cookies, as you navigate the website, it will remember your settings. So you can navigate the website, come back to this page, and it'll remember what you had already selected here. But again, this link is just like if you want to share it with somebody else, you can do that, and it'll take them to this page with these settings. If you want to hide the settings box, just click on this little minus sign, and it goes away. Click on the plus to get the settings back again.